Welcome back. This is Jeffrey's regular YouTube channel. We have an Operation Weather. We have two of them we're gonna do. We're gonna do the severe thunderstorm watch first. It's in effect for 13 counties in Ohio and for Erie and Crawford counties until 6 o'clock this evening. The locations on this includes Kern, Allowance, Asheville, Aurora, Austintown, Avon Lake, Brainbridge, Boardman, Burnswick, Burton, Canton, Chardon, Chesterland, Cleveland, Conneaut, East Central Lake, Elmira, Erie, Geneva, Kent, Bull, Kilbuck, Lorraine, Massillon, Meadville, Media, Medina, Metter, Middlefield, Millersburg, Niles, Northbridge, Orville, Painesville, Raviana, Rittman, South Russell, Streetboro, Titusville, Radworth, Warren, Wadsworth, Warren, Wicked Life, Willoughby, Welwick, Worcester, and Youngstown. There's Titusville in there as well, in case we're just wondering. All on the severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time on this Saturday, April 1st, 2023, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. All right, we're gonna get off because we have an Operation Weather. We got it. We have a severe thunderstorm warning popped up. Soon as the severe thunderstorm warning, we'll get this warning on here coming up next here on the regular channel page. So we're gonna get off. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Ohio and Pennsylvania counties until 6 o'clock this evening, all on this Saturday, April 1st, April Fool's Day 2023, from Jeffrey's regular channel page on YouTube. All right, we're going to get off, and I'm not going to read the weather updates until after we do that severe thunderstorm warning. So as soon as it pops, so as we get this, we'll get back on. It's on right now. So we're going to get off and we'll get back on with this severe thunderstorm warning update. Talk to you later.